Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are interested in studying at a top Australian university with a fully funded scholarship, this opportunity is for you. The University of Melbourne Scholarships 2026 to 2027 are fully funded scholarships for international students pursuing Masters by Research or PhD degrees in Australia. These scholarships are offered at the University of Melbourne and are open to applicants from all countries. The program duration is 2 years for a Masters by Research and up to 3.5 years for a doctoral degree. Now let's talk about the deadlines. If you apply for a graduate research course before the course closing date, you will automatically be considered for the graduate research scholarships. Applications can be submitted throughout the year, but most scholarships are awarded in round 1 for commencement the following year. You are strongly encouraged to apply before 31st October. Now let's move to the scholarship coverage. The University of Melbourne Scholarship provides full tuition fee coverage for up to 2 years for Masters by Research students and up to 4 years for doctoral students. Students will also receive a living allowance of $39,500 per year based on the 2026 full-time study rate. This allowance may be indexed annually and includes limited paid sick, maternity, and parenting leave. In addition, recipients receive a relocation grant of $2,000 for students moving from outside Victoria, or $3,000 for students moving from outside Australia. International students will also receive overseas student health cover, which is required for an Australian student visa. Now let's look at the eligibility criteria. Applicants must meet the English language requirements and must have applied for and meet the entry requirements for a master's or doctorate by research degree at the University of Melbourne. Current graduate research students at the university may also be eligible. Finally, here is the step-by-step application process. Step 1. Choose your course first. Decide on the graduate research program you want to study at the University of Melbourne. Visit the official course pages on the university website and select a research discipline that matches your interests. Step 2. Check your eligibility and fees before applying. Check mark, that you meet the academic entry requirements of your chosen research program, that you meet the English language requirements, that you understand the tuition costs and scholarship conditions. All eligibility rules are clearly listed on the University of Melbourne Scholarships portal. Step 3. Prepare your documentation. Gather all necessary documents, including academic transcripts and degree certificates, research proposal, if required, curriculum vitae or resume proof of English language proficiency, passport details/identification, reference letters, if requested. Having your documents ready speeds up the entire application process and ensures nothing is missing. Step 4. Apply for admission with the university next. Apply for admission to your selected graduate research program using the University of Melbourne's graduate admissions portal. When you submit your research degree application, the system will automatically consider you for the graduate scholarships if you meet the deadlines and criteria. This means no separate scholarship application is usually required. As soon as your admission application is received before the closing date, the scholarship evaluation begins. Step 5. Assessment and offers. After applying, the University of Melbourne will review your application and supporting documents. If successful, you may receive an unconditional offer, a conditional offer, pending final results or English scores, an alternative offer. Make sure you respond promptly to any requests from the university and check your email often. Step 6. Planning for accommodation. Once you receive an offer, you can begin planning your move. Apply for OSHC through the university or external provider. Arrange housing, on-campus, private rental, or shared accommodation. Prepare for relocation. If you are moving from overseas, that's the step-by-step guide to applying for the University of Melbourne Scholarship 2026 based on the official scholarship portal. If you want the full write-up, direct links, and downloadable checklists, visit the complete article on scholarshiproar.com. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like this video, subscribe to Scholarship Roar, share it with your friends, comment below which country you want to study in next. See you in the next video.